So I've owned UEC for a number of months, and I recognized it as a uranium mining company. I also recognize that uranium is how you make nuclear energy, and that is going to be a part of our future need for electricity relative to data center, whether it's a nuclear reactor that creates a nuclear plant, or it's the small devices that are going to need nuclear rods to power them to sit next to the data centers and supplement their energy needs. So I bought it for quite some time, and then as I learned they don't dig a hole in the ground and break up rock, they actually pump a liquid into the ground which takes the uranium and turns it into a liquid, then pump it back out, and then turn it back into the dust that they use for uranium. And so they are the leader, UEC, in the United States for that. And they had an earnings report, and their earnings report didn't give a big good number because they basically refused to sell what they mined. They wanted more for it than the market was, and they have no debt. They had no need for it. They know that the price of uranium is going to go up 66% in the next 4 years, and the demand is going up each year at about 30%. So the market didn't understand and didn't like their report, and so the price was down some 16%. Well, I added to my position because I know what I own. I know I have a commodity, a company that mines a commodity that is in growing demand, has no debt, and is a no-brainer, and it was selling yesterday at a 16% discount. And so one of my tribe members said, well, are you familiar with EU? Much smaller than UEC. So I dug into it too. And what I want you to do is I want you to come to my website today, come free, go through the link in the description and come free, and come to my tell sheet, and you're going to find a deep dive on both EU and UEC. And I want you to listen to them, because particularly EU, this sucker, this is a 10-bagger. If this hits like I think, this is a 10-bagger just because it's starting from nothing. UEC is an established company. It's the leader in its field. We're projecting we'll get somewhere between a double over the next 3 years to a 3-bagger. So come to the website. The market didn't understand because, let's face it, they don't know what they own. They don't know that they know that data centers need electricity. Data centers are fighting with the municipalities over their electricity, and the easiest way around it is uranium and nuclear energy. It just takes a little bit of time, but this is a gift from Kerry. Come to the website. You got a 7-day free trial, and learn what you own. Learn about uranium.